Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Let's learn about some more letters and the sounds they make. Now here is the letter W, and it makes a lip rounding sound. It goes like this. W. It makes me round my lips when I make it. Now, my tongue, when I make this sound, isn't doing anything. My tongue is just resting on the bottom of my mouth. W. But my lips are very rounded. Let's read about this letter and see if we can spot any pictures or words that have the W sound in them. Can you see anything on this front page that begins with a W sound? Oh yes. Well, I see a well where you can get water. Oh, water. Water also begins with a W sound. Let's see if we can spot some more words. Feel free to read along with me, and when we're done, maybe you can go look around your classroom or your home for some words that have the W sound in them. He wags. Wag, wag, wag. He wags and wants it wet. A wish. He wants to wet his paws. Wow, he wags. It is wet. Water, wet, well, wags. All words that have the W sound at the beginning. Let's see if you can go find some more things wherever you are that have the W sound in them. The end. Thank you so much for reading along with me and finding words that have the W sound in them. And we'll see you back here very, very soon. Bye-bye.